Student Login Module. Now I will explain the Student Login Module. This module provides students with access to their academic details, exams, assignments, fee payments, and results. Student Dashboard. First, we open the Student Dashboard. This screen provides a complete overview of student information, including academic and examination details. Student Basic Information. Next, we go to Student Basic Information. Here students can view their details such as roll number, name, course, branch, batch. Other academic and personal information. Student Notes. In the Student Notes section, students can access subject-wise study materials and notes. This helps them prepare for classes and examinations. Exam timetables. Next, we move to exam timetables. Here students can view exam dates, timings, subjects, complete schedule. This helps them stay updated on upcoming exams. Assignments. In the assignments screen, students can view subject-wise assignments. Details include subject name, program, batch, branch, semester, subject type. Students can select the required mid or assessment and click on Get Assignments to view tasks. Objective Assessment, Online Test. Next, we go to Objective Assessment. Here students can attempt MCQ-based online tests. Process. Select the assessment. Complete OTP verification. Start the exam. After submission, the score is displayed immediately. Fee receipts. Regular and supplementary receipts. In this section, students can download fee receipts for regular exams, supplementary exams, revaluation receipts. Here students can download revaluation fee receipts. Fee payments. Regular fee payment. In regular fee payment, students can view fee details. Pay fees for regular exams using online payment methods. Supplementary fee payment. In supplementary fee payment, students can check eligible subjects. View fee amount. Complete payment. Revaluation fee payment. In revaluation fee payment, students can select subjects. Pay fees for revaluation of answer scripts. Overall marks, semester-wise. Next, we move to overall marks semester-wise. Here students can view subject-wise marks, total performance, academic progress for each semester, challenge booklet view. Finally, we go to challenge booklet view. Here students can select month, semester, and exam title. View their exam booklet details. This helps in verification, challenge or review process. This completes the Student Login module, where students can access academic details, exams, payments, and results. Thank you.